Once upon a time, in a body far, far away, there was a very specific enzyme who was sad because she had spent her entire life looking for her one true substrate. This enzyme, called Locke, often wandered and floated around the body in search for the key that would fit her perfectly and make her happy. She knew that wherever and whenever she found this key, she would be able to bind perfectly and react. After that, Locke and her key would release the most beautiful products the chemistry world had ever known. Meanwhile, in the same body far, far away, there lived a Key who was lonely and in search of her one true Locke. Key was a substrate, and she was often frustrated because the active site was continually reshaped by interactions with the wrong enzyme. Every active site Key tried to fit into, even though many Locks tried to change and mold to Key, could not completely bind to poor Key, and she continued to wander around lost, lonely, and looking for a Locke to bind to. Then, one magical day, as their quest for their perfect other halves led them to the point of denaturing, Locke spun nowhere, directly into Key's path. As they saw each other's complementary shape, charge, and hydrophilic characteristics, they knew that they had finally found their perfect match. Key's substrate bound perfectly to Locke's active site, and their enzyme-substrate complex fit each other flawlessly. The substrate became just the product that the body needed. And as Key, now products, left the active site of Locke's enzyme, they both knew that they would never find a friendship or a match as perfect as the bond they had just experienced. The end.